Well, guys, welcome back. We are in the car. I'm about to wash it for the show. So I'm going to show some foam cannon footage. And my car is super dirty, as you'll see in a few moments. It is really dirty. It's like just rained for like a day and it's destroyed. It's just dirty. You'll see. But I'll see you guys when I put the head mount on and go first person from there. So see you guys then. As you see, the car is dirty right now from the rain. It's kind of, I don't know, yeah, it's all over, like right there, all on the roof. It's all splattered over there. The wheels are even dirty, but nothing that foam cannon and Bosch Auto Care products can't handle. So here we go. Just to each spoke around the wheel, and I have to let it sit on my watch on for 30 seconds. Now we gotta hose it off and got a little overspray, but it's not gonna hurt. I'll just wipe it off. And use one that is dry. Wipe all the water off. wipe off my windows real quick. So yeah, here we go. Going, guys, welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to the show right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this clips of me detailing my car. So we're meeting Drake, my friend Dylan. You know Drake from the first video. My friend Dylan, he's got a CTSV. My friend Miles, he's got a GTI, a VR6. And I wonder if someone else is coming. I'm not for sure on that. But yeah, I'll see you guys there. Pulling up right now, there's everybody. Oh yeah, I gotta give Drake his coolant. He needs some coolant, so we're gonna pull in and say hi to everybody. So we're out here in Kmart with everybody. Got the Mustang, Drake's Beamer, Dylan's CTSV, Miles' GTI, and then we got Dylan's dad's GTI. So, and then we got Eddie pulling in with an RSX. Oh yeah. So we're rolling out. We got, let's see, I think, oh okay, so Dylan's leading. So here we go. I'll see you guys there. We are parking right now. We got Drake. We got some sick Skylines. I don't know. I'll check them out early or later when everybody starts to show up, and I'm gonna start recording people. I'll say hi to a couple buddies I got here, yeah, see you guys and enjoy these next cinematic shots. All right, guys, hope you liked that. I'm about to leave. There's like nobody here. We got a bunch of cinematics. You guys enjoy. It's pretty cool. There's some sick cars here. We got GTRs everywhere, you know. R35s, R32s. I didn't see any R33s or 34s, unfortunately. I did see a 31. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I actually got some good reactions from my Mustang. People actually asked me about it. I was kind of surprised because of the GTR meet. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Please leave a like, subscribe, links in the description below. Comment what do you want to see next, you know. But thanks for watching. See you guys later.